The mystery of the snipe hunt, unveiled. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very intriguing English phrase, snipe hunt. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in a conversation. Snipes are actual birds, known for their long beaks and camouflaged appearance. They tend to be hard to spot, which makes them a challenging target for birdwatchers and hunters. So, a snipe hunt, in its literal sense, refers to hunting for these elusive birds. But wait, there's more to the phrase than meets the eye. In many cultures, especially in the US, a snipe hunt refers to a type of practical joke. It's when someone, typically a newbie or a gullible person, is sent on a hunt for the imaginary snipe, often at night, as a form of initiation or prank. The joke is that they are looking for something that doesn't exist or is nearly impossible to find. Imagine being sent out in the dark woods, holding a bag, and told to call out for snipes while everyone else secretly laughs at the situation. That's a snipe hunt. Considering its dual meaning, you can use the term in various ways. 1. My grandfather used to go on real snipe hunts back in the day. 2. They sent the new camper on a snipe hunt. Poor guy, he was out there for hours. Remember, the context in which you use the phrase is vital to clarify its meaning. And there you have it. Whether you're talking about the elusive bird or pulling someone's leg with a playful prank, snipe hunt is a colorful phrase with a rich history. We hope this video illuminated this quirky term for you. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of the English language.